In keeping with its ambitions as a digital assets hub, Singapore is expanding trials for the safe and innovative use of digital money. Well, the Monetary Authority of Singapore has unveiled a blueprint to explore the potential of issuing and using digital money. But its managing director, Ravi Menon, did not mince his words about the poor performance of cryptocurrencies as a store of value or a medium of exchange.
Private cryptocurrencies have failed the test of digital money. They have performed poorly as a medium of exchange or store of value. Their prices are subject to sharp speculative swings. Many investors in these cryptocurrencies have suffered significant losses.
Singapore's plans to expand digital money trials include well-regulated stablecoins. Now, these are cryptocurrencies whose value is tied to that of another currency, commodity or financial instrument. The Singapore Central Bank had revised its regulatory framework for stablecoins in August. Now, this move followed the collapse of the Terra Luna USD last year, which shook the crypto industry.
MAS is granted in-principle approval under the Payment Services Act to 3 entities who will issue stablecoins that substantively comply with MAS's upcoming stablecoin regulatory framework. The 3 entities are straight XSGD issuance that will house the XXGD pegged stablecoin that is already on the market. 2, straight X US dollar issuance stablecoins. And 3, Paxos Digital Singapore that will issue new US dollar pegged stablecoins. Now, once the legislative amendments take effect, these stablecoins will be regarded as MAS-regulated stablecoins and carry the credibility that goes with it.
Well, speaking during his annual address at the Singapore FinTech Festival, Mr. Menon says a digital Singapore dollar would also be more accessible for the general population following 2 earlier trials with government payouts and credits earlier this year. The MAS will also issue a live central bank digital currency for wholesale settlement, with plans to start developing CBDCs for wholesale interbank settlement next year.
We will partner the local banks to pilot the use of wholesale CBDCs as a common settlements asset in domestic payments. So banks will issue tokenized bank liabilities that represent claims on their balance sheets by their retail customers, right? Now, the retail customers will be able to use these tokenized bank liabilities in transactions with merchants who can in turn credit these tokenized bank liabilities with their respective banks. Now, the outstanding interbank obligations arising from these transactions will be settled via an automatic transfer of wholesale CBDCs that the banks are holding. So clearing and settlement occurs in a single step on the same infrastructure, unlike the current system in which clearing and settlement take place on different systems and settlement occurs with a lag.